Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 2.5 question number 7. Dinesh went from place A to place B and from there to place C. A is 7.5 km from B, right, this distance, and B is 12.7 km from C. B to C the distance is 12.7 km. I went from place A to place D and from there to place C. D is 9.3 km from A, this is 9.3 km, and C is 11.8 km from D, and C is 11.8 km from D. So to find this distance, who traveled more and by how much, right? Now we will solve in this way, that Dinesh traveled Dinesh traveled Dinesh traveled is equal to A to B, that is AB distance plus BC distance, right? What is the value of AB? AB is 7.5 km, 7.5 km, and BC is 12.7, 12.7 km. Now if we add the numbers, that is 7.50 plus 12.7, 12.70. If we add the numbers, we are getting 0, 5 plus 7, 12, 2, carry 1, 7 and 8, 9, 10, 0, carry 1, 1, 1, 2. Right, this is the point. Therefore, it is 20 point, that is equal to 20.20 kilometer. Right. Now, Ayub traveled from Ayub traveled Ayub traveled A to D, that is A to D plus D to C. What is the distance of AD? The distance of AD is 9.3, 9.3 plus the distance of DC is 11.8, 11.8. These are in kilometers. Therefore, if you add the numbers, that is 9.3 and it is 11.8, 11.8. We add the numbers, 8, 9, 11, carry 1, it is 1, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1, 11, 1, carry 1, 1, 1, 2. Right? This is, the value is 21.10 kilometer. Now here you see that I traveled more than Dinesh traveled. Who traveled more and by how much? Right? By how much? We will subtract it. That is 21.10. That is, if we subtract this one, that is 21.10 minus of 20.20. If it is 0, it is 9, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0.90. Right? The difference is 0.90 kilometer. Right? Therefore, who traveled more and by how much? We can say that Ayub traveled more than Dinesh by 0.90 kilometer. Right? This is the answer. What you have done? We have done the addition, that is 7.5 kilometer and 12.7. It comes to 20.20 kilometer. This is Dinesh traveled, and Ayub traveled AD plus DC, that is 9.3 plus 11.8, and that is coming to 21.10 kilometer. If you subtract this 21.10, that is 20.20 from 21.10, it is getting 0.90. Therefore, Ayub traveled more than Dinesh by 0.90 kilometer. This is the answer, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.